Hello, my name is Jan Rivera, Project Manager of the Embedded System Research Group, and we'll be presenting our project titled Using Microcontrollers for the Inference of a Machine Learning Algorithm. Now, I will be presenting the rest of my group. Our team is composed of 8 team members. Myself, Jan Rivera, William Negron, Orlando Saldaña, Rebeca Rivera, José Rodríguez, Yomar Santiago, Hedin García, and Ezequiel Melendez. Now, I will be leaving you with Rebeca Rivera, who will be talking about the introduction of our project.
The world's data is the result of our increasingly digitized way of life. For example, data is the main source of life of all businesses. Consequently, the amount of data that needs to be transferred, stored, and processed will greatly surpass the capabilities of a human. With the large amount of data, classifiers are used to make driven decisions in a short amount of time with the help of machine learning algorithms. The main objective of machine learning is to allow computers to learn automatically without human intervention or assistance to adjust actions accordingly. Additionally, a classifier is any algorithm that sorts data into discrete categories of information and can use different machine learning methods. Now, the purpose of this research is to use embedded systems for machine learning classifiers. The Internet of Things is the main reason why the amount of collecting data on embedded and IoT systems is increasing. The problem is that microcontrollers are well suited for simple machine learning problems which does not require frequent analysis because of its low memory. The Embedded System Research Group will test different configurations of edge computing to identify which one handles data more efficiently with an already trained classifier. Now, Jan will explain to you the methodology.
The methodology used for the project will consist of the members learning about machine learning, edge computing, and the selected development boards through literature review, such as research papers and the datasheets of the boards. Later, we'll be moving on to building practice projects and implementing algorithms to get familiar with the development boards, which includes an FPGA, the RTA7, Raspberry Pi number 4, NVIDIA Jetson Nano, and the Arduino Uno. Finally, we will testing implementations on the development boards and report the gathered results from each one to be later compared with each other. With this, we conclude the methodology of the project. And now, I'll be leaving you with my teammate, William Negro.
Hello, so now I will talk about the expected outcomes and the impact that this research will have on the students as researchers and as future professionals. The expected outcomes include that the students will gain experience working with hardware and embedded systems in the solution of machine learning algorithms. These are fields of high demand currently. Students will be working with the prototypes, so they will be able to learn about system design, integration, and testing. The Embedded System Research Group will be able to determine the pros and cons from different use microcontrollers while applying their use to inference in machine learning through all the extensive review, practice, and comparison with the used microcontrollers. This will impact the students' learning about the use of hardware and embedded system in machine learning. Now, my colleague Jose Luis will continue.
So now we have the time schedule. The time schedule for this year on research. We have the first one. We have online course and tutorial, machine learning, and Arduino. We have a time period about August 2020 and December 2020. So then we move to search about different HW platform to learn about applied machine learning and interface. This this we are going to be in September 2020 to December 2020. Then we have the microcontroller practice with new members that is very important to be, and this is too in September 2020. For then, not the last one, but very important, project definition, specs, and requirement in December 2020 to designs and implementation testing in January to April. Now we are going to move to Orlando to explain the another part.
The metrics to judge the project's success will be the knowledge gained by each of the students in digital systems design, knowledge about inference in machine learning systems, the use of HDLs, design, implementation, and testing in system design. Other skills like presentation, communication, and problem solving will also be used as a metric of success. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening and paying attention. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact us. Thank you.